Hello, everyone. My name is Marilyn. I am a professor and the chair of the Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Department here at Northeastern. First off, I want to say a heartfelt congratulations to all the undergraduates in MIE receiving their Bachelor of Science degree in either industrial engineering or mechanical engineering. I'm very proud of you and your accomplishment and truly honored to be your department chair. I also wanted to take a moment just to recognize that your accomplishment was supported by a large network of people in your lives. So just want to take a moment to say thank you to all the parents, the extended family, and those of you who have spent your time as friends with the students and taking a moment to enjoy this moment and also take pride in what has been accomplished here today. Thank you for supporting our MIE students and really helping them along this journey, especially during a really tough time. One of my favorite proverbs begins with the phrase, whatever your hands find to do, do it with all your heart. And I wanted to leave you all with these words as you go forward to remember that you need to take the time to do the things that really you're passionate about, that really drive you. And that we have given you the foundation through your engineering education and some of the tools to really build out that path that you deem worthy of pursuing. And I really look forward to watching what you're going to do and how you're going to achieve your goals. I hope that you all take a moment to keep us informed of all the things that you are doing. I wanted to just also say it's really been a privilege to watch you navigate such an incredibly tough year, not only as a student and to learn and to finish your degree, but it's truly been a tough year and challenging time for humanity historically. And for me, I bore witness to the strength that you have had in pivoting to this hybrid education, some of you fully remote, some of you here on campus with us. I've watched you become incredible citizens of Northeastern by protecting the pack, just being able to witness you walking around campus, huddled in front of the fires, wearing your masks, using the tents, and just keeping each other safe. Working in teams, so many of our groups that have worked together, even in a limited capacity, to make sure your projects are finished. Work in your student groups. I've seen the AIAA group, the IISE group, the ASME group, Informs, Baja, eFormula, NU Toys, on and on I can go. But just watching you continue to work together and be together and have those teams. And just ultimately your power to stay focused with a remote learning setting. Seeing you come from so many different settings, so many different countries, but still stay together and learn and complete this accomplishment is really inspiring. I'm inspired and I'm grateful to have been a part of your education here in MIE. I want to thank you for staying resilient. Thank you for staying positive, and thank you for fighting really through this very, very tough time. It's been a privilege that I get to hear your stories and that you've shared your stories with your MIE professors. We have been a part of history, and as a result, we've been stronger for it. With each class that graduates from MIE, I just also want to say we get an understanding of how to be better engineering educators. And part of the reason we get to do that is because of the feedback that you leave us with, the constructive criticism, and even your words of gratitude. So, it just reminds me that we really never stop learning, and that as we go forward, we're always making the path a little better for those who are going to come behind us. So thank you for that. On behalf of the Department of MIE, I just want to thank you for all the things that you have done, all the things that you've taught us. I want you to stay in touch. I want you to stay engaged, and I want you to stay a part of Northeastern's global network and keep making us better. Take a moment to reflect on this journey. Don't just let it pass you by. Really take a moment to document your experiences. You'll be grateful one day when you get to look back and on this time and reflect on how it helped you to get to where you will be at a future time. So thank you again for allowing me to share with you all today. We'll now begin to recognize each of our graduates.
Rosemary Chamaka Ajegwu.
Ahmed Mohammed Al-Haddad.
Muhammad Al-Hunaidi.
Firas Hisham Hassan Al-Jamali.
Nuda F.Y. Al-Juwan.
Denise Bahar Aden.
Tal Bendet.
Eric Martin Burkaw.
Luca Biagioni,
Anthony Vito Bilantuono,
Rocio Del Mar Bravo Rios,
Veronica Yebauer Carmody,
Daniel James Cheng,
Heather Ho-Si Chung,
Nicholas Matthew Cooper,
Kristen Mary Cormier,
Isabel Rose Walcott Cusack,
Elisa Suzanne Danthin,
Dylan Surya Dasgupta,
Maria de Miguel Solaguren,
Helene Julia De Stefano,
Maxime Doctor,
Andrés Alejandro Engler Pietri,
Emma Ray Fenlon,
Timothy Fiedler,
Matthew Christopher Finney,
Raúl Flamini,
Andrew Joseph Frank,
Abdul Rahman Habilullah Gadi,
Callan Nicol Gunatilaka,
Kanis Zarira Gradi,
Maria Auxiliadora Guareshi Alarcon,
Christopher Giuliano,
Matthew Burke Hadika,
Eric Grossman Radu Halpern,
Jonathan Harris,
Ziad Hassan,
Amber Gabriela Hernandez,
Annette Valentina Hernandez,
Victor Miguel Hernandez,
Carrie Matilda Hogue,
John Dickinson Hooper,
Tony Su,
Dodo G,
Henry Ives Jones,
Matthew Coe,
Nicole Corey,
Robert John King,
Ryan King,
Gabrielle Michaela Lanzaro,
Stephen Dominic Lee,
Eric Andrew Lynch,
Evan Francis McCreesh,
Lauren Michael,
Andrew Meyer,
Dakila Gabriel Adan Mina,
Thomas J. Minutella,
Evan William Moore,
Kyla Michelle Newsom,
Justin Scott Nicholson,
William Humbin O,
Elise Yanni O'Reilly,
Lance Howard Powell,
Maura Elizabeth Rapacelli,
Connor Alberto Rodriguez,
Samuel Joseph Roy,
Yingdong Ru,
Andrew Michael Rutkowski,
Karim Hassan Safadi,
Jahan Sani,
Salin Mohammed A. Samgari,
Liana Nicole Shuli,
Lauren Grace Skornavaca,
Dilara Sever,
Veer Nimesh Shah,
Vikram Kamal Sharma,
Samantha Hope Schulman,
Daniel Snayers Pond,
David Rubin Michael Sulkin,
Anna Helena Sosa,
Noah James Switek,
Caroline Patricia Teradash,
Bennett Kent Thorson,
Jessica Ann Walsh,
Jeffrey Daniel Weintraub,
Nedim Roberto Yacaman Juha,
Luis Andres Yi Feng,
Fu Qian Zhou,
Yasin Ahmed Mohammed Abdullah,
Mustafa Ahmed Al-Ajmi,
Zahir Al-Hidabi,
Keshav Srinivasan Anand,
Gavin David Anderson,
Matthew Tyler Andrade,
Edberg Andre,
Connor Stone Argyros,
Jordan Aseo,
Florent Gaston Albert Astier,
Roman Andre Amedi Astier,
Alexander Stephen Bear,
Barbara Ellen Mary Bates,
Charles Burskins,
Pei Bjorn Hansen,
Gabriel Emilio Blankenmeyer,
Andrew John Blunt,
Liam Thomas Bonacum,
Cameron Daniel Bonora,
Andrew Neville Bowser,
Martin Boyle,
Parker James Brewer,
Connor Owen Byrne,
Timothy Joseph Carrion,
Martin Adrian Caruso,
Jack Arthur Carvalho,
Daniel Paul Casey,
Mark Vincent DeGilio Kiriko,
Arun Chundru,
Hyuk Jin Chung,
Natalie Maureen Chacha,
Timothy Joseph Cook,
Stephanie Ann Coppola,
Gregory John Corsello,
Zachary Alexander Crooks,
Nathan Edward Cunningham,
Aidan F. Curry,
Trevor Gerard Dana,
Noah Gregory Daviero,
Evan Daniel DeCina,
William Cromie de Kramer,
Nicholas Aro Deloff,
Albert Isidore David Demers,
Ethan Quinn Acaling Derequito,
Cameron Michael Dixon,
Sonny Tran Deep,
Cameron Nicholas De Mayo,
Gabriel Ricardo Doblez,
Erin Ray Dooley,
Matthew Christian Dottinger,
Luke Anthony Drennan,
Xuan E. Du,
Erica Ann Dudek,
David Jacob Edelman,
Joshua Samuel Eisenberg,
Maya Rose Eisler,
Sofía Isabela Eleta Saiz,
Matthew Ellis,
Drew John Embersitz,
Sebastian Ariel Urake,
Anthony Evgeny Fakirov,
Benjamin Thomas Farrell,
Ryan Michael Fisher,
Alistair Charlie Fisher,
Michael Oliver Forward,
Morgan Emily Foster,
Ethan Ellie Franco,
Anthony Amin Fullahan,
Alfredo Galvan Murillo,
Michael Garnick,
Harrison Edward Gill,
Anthony Joseph Gironda,
Shay Gabriel Glacken-Coley,
Tyler John Gogol,
Tiana Avery Gould,
Sterling Carpenter Gray,
Logan Thistle Gross,
Milo Jesus Guerrero,
Surabhi Gupta,
Julia Mary Hawk,
Amanda Rain Haynes,
Jack Hale,
Brandon Michael Halloran,
Annika Hansen,
Joseph Harkness,
John E. Harrington,
Nicholas Harris de la Tour,
Ryan Greer Hart,
Kiera Henderson,
Tyler Hill,
Rebecca Ann Holleb,
John David Hood,
Andrew Joel Hughes,
Q Song Huang,
Brianna Robin Jones,
Lydia Melissa Ines Joubert,
Matthew Ryan Calpin,
Kabir Kelsey,
Oriana Elise Kane,
Da Won Kang,
Megan Ashley Karen,
Brian Patrick Keller,
Eamon Kelly Graves,
Emily Kerr,
Sefer Chansalar,
James Michael Kiernan,
Christopher Michael Kriaki,
Chase Jae-sung Klingeman,
Eric G. Coe,
Alexis Julia Kolar,
Michael Scott Comats,
John Michael Corey,
Maria Francesca Labruna,
Nicholas James Lacusa,
Max Peter Lacoma,
John Matthew Lacey,
Jonathan Lamb,
Cullen Lampasso,
Zachary John Lapointe,
Leona Lau,
Marcus William Lee,
Duncan Leggett,
Carrie Elizabeth Lehman,
William Michael Lewis,
Adam Huang Lee,
Samuel Noah Leachy,
Sarah Margaret Liebler,
Haroldens Nico Limage,
Jeffrey Lynn,
Kenneth Cooper Lippincott,
Yishuan Leo,
Cassia Petrina Mora Lockwood,
Alessandro Lombardi,
Daniel Joseph Looney,
Nicholas Patrick Lopez,
Alice Esther Lukianova,
Christina Grace Leuven,
Sean Lydon,
Tianxing Ma,
Ryan Scott McFarland,
Arunika Makum,
Griffin James Morella,
Max Xavier Morocco,
Christine Elizabeth Martin,
Eamon Joseph McCarthy,
Ford MacArthur McClure,
Lucas Aidan Sonnergaard McGarren,
Gregory Thomas McGinnis,
Jasmine Imel Chione,
Michael Anthony Melito,
Juan Pablo Mesa,
Avram Meyer,
Jonathan James Miller,
Adam George Mirza,
Jafar H. Mirza,
Nicholas Michael Morales,
David Michael Myers,
Austin Nguyen,
Brendan Michael O'Donnell,
Alec Chishin Zusman Orlovsky,
Brian Philip Panessa,
Kevin Joseph Parlato,
Akash Patel,
Nicholas Francesco Pellizzari,
Sean Cameron Pendergast,
Adam Christian Patrica,
Daniel Edward Philbin,
Taylor Lee Pullman,
Michael J. Polcari,
Jonathan Rosario Pugni,
Melissa Rath,
Pratik Murali Raval,
Matthew Walter Reisch,
Noah G. Lou Reisner Stamen,
Jonathan D. Ricketts,
Kyle Thomas Riggs,
Diego Felipe Rivera,
Nina Lee Rogers,
Marcos I. Rodriguez,
Anthony Lewis Rogers,
Kiana Celeste Rogers,
Ava Laureen Roachek,
Kristen Rose Ropiak,
Stephen Michael Rose,
Carly Polina Rowe,
Evan Matthew Rosnoy,
Benjamin James Sadao Rubash,
Jared Orion Rohr,
Anthony Devin Ruiz,
Jacob Rothstein,
Maximilian Sadlier,
Lisa Margaret Sangri,
Albert William Saunders IV,
Nicholas Stephen Schneer,
Sergio Nicola Iannone Maldonado,
Kenneth Thomas Chanos,
Molly Catherine Sharp,
Fraser Ryan Shaw,
Alexandra Shea,
Henry Thomas Atkins Sheffield,
Cooper Wesley Shumway,
Hannah Soa Siemens,
Julian Byrne Slade,
William Charles Sorrell,
Helena Allison Souder,
Tucker Sylvan Spencer Wallace,
Grace Sperling,
Noah Spitzer,
Justin Springle,
Brendan Chadbourne Stearns,
Jason Stearns,
David Steele,
Henry Peter Stock,
Nathan Falcon Streeter,
Jeremiah Daniel Sue,
Jasi Sue,
Andres Esteban Tandazo,
Raven Dawn Tate,
Rain Tavares,
Raymond Terry Telosco,
Anthony Phuc Tran,
Daniel Joseph Trapp,
Travis Torleif Triglianos,
Tinan Huang Trin,
Olivia Cairns Truslow,
Brandon Stephen Uber,
Abigail Bryn Unger,
Paul Vogelsberger,
Matthew Joseph Walthouse,
Wu Xuan Wang,
Benjamin Max Weil,
Bryce Myers Welton,
Noah Gabriel White,
Gabrielle Victoria Whittle,
Michael Philip Wingate,
Anne Morgan Wisman,
Kyle Shao,
Vivian Joyce Xing,
Hee-Jae Yang,
Nikki Mei Hui Yang,
Maurice Yen,
Mei-Ling Solveig Yi,
Scott Allen Young,
Lucas Frederick Zion,
Benjamin Thielen Zinser,
Lyndon Zlotia,
John Kazimir Zukowski.
This concludes our celebration. Thank you, everyone, for joining us for this festive occasion, and warmest congratulations to all of our graduates.